Sanibonani, welcome back to a new video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Please kindly subscribe ake like a video, share a video as well as ukubuka ama ads. So yeah, many guys, bafethu bengilokhu ngigula. Bengilokhu ngigula, I'm sure ngida 4 days or 3 days umuntu alele phansi bafethu. And nokurekhoda kunzima. Kwabona iflu maye kulahla phansi, isifuba yonke into nje bafethu. So ukukhuluma is a problem. You know ukuthi if you have to record a video kuzomela ukhulume like up to 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes kunjalo nje bafethu. Imagine ngabe uyakhwehlela isifuba yonke into. Uyangizwa namanje ukuthi angika-recover, but I'm just trying to send a message ukuthi yo hayi ngiphathekile kahle bafethu. I tried my best kodwa ke ngisagula ngaphole. That's why uzobona kungena ama video nje ngoba umuntu usayinesa nje ukuthi at least ngathi uba ngcono kwabona. So kunento nje engicasula when it comes to udaba lokacwecwe, you know, because kunabantu engibabona ka TikTok benza ama live kugxekwa uma kacwecwe ukuthi uqamba amanga like ambathole sisi laba bantu bafethu. Who does that ukuthi ngaze ngize emphakathini ngizothi ingane yami iyadlwengulwa, ingane yami yayivulekile kanje? Did you see that mama kacwecwemezo etshela abantu ukuthi wathi uyabheka umntwana wathatha umntwana like emuva kuvulekile waze wafanisa nale tissue, wayeseduze ne tissue wathi imbobo engaka wayilinganisa nale mbobo ye tissue, uyayibona? You see that tissue khaki thing mangabe sekuphela tissue, wathi umntwana bekavuleke kanje emuva ngapha. Kwasuka caca ukuthi naphambili ngathi emsemadoktheni ke base bechaza ukuthi like ubedlwengula phambili namuva, but yena wayesekhuluma ukuthi phambili kwakungcono but emuva wayevulekile umntwana in a way ukuthi uyakwazi ukubona ke the poop, you know what I mean? So ngubani ongaqamba amanga kanjalo bafowethu ngizempani ukuthi ingane beyidlwengulwa kuvulekile kutheni ngikwazi ukubona the poop inside? Ngibona waqamba amanga. According to what I heard from akacwecwe akazange appointe athi nguprincipal wadlwengula ingane or uprincipal watrenda ngoba naku esala ukusubmita i-DNA sample yakhe. Kwathiwa ubani ubaba wengane no caretaker nobani no driver if I'm not mistaken. Uprincipal wala ukwenze njani ukusubmit abantu basebethi why is the principal refusing to submit his DNA sample? Ufihlane uma kacwecwe kazange athi uprincipal undlwengulela ingane. Kwakhuluma nje abantu sebethi uprincipal yena ume engasubmit uthi ufihlani, you know what I mean? So for those who are saying she is lying, uzoqamba amanga kanjani ukuthi ingane yakhe yadlwengulwa bafethu? Like honestly, so umntana bekavulekile avulwa yini? Lesi uqamba amanga, umntana bekavulwa yini bafethu njengoba evulekile nje umntana 7 years ingane? Hayi bafethu asibeni serious. Akazange na point abantu bathi hayi makacocumela indoda yakhe. Akazange nakhona futhi amele indoda yakhe. Kwathi abasubmit ama-DNA sample kwathiwa yena uhusband wakhe kwathi usubmitile masizwa nobani no caretaker. Is it the caretaker or kwase kuthiwa uprincipal walile? Yiyo lento yacasula abantu walelani ino ifihlayo. Kwathi umntwana expeliwe izinto nje ezifew ezacasula abantu, you know what I mean? Nalento ehlanganisa AfriForum ukuthi AfriForum naye wangathi manje umela uprincipal, abantu bathi njani, you know what I mean? So uma kacwecwe uqamba amanga kuphi bafowethu? Like I'm not understanding umuntu engathi go through into eso ukudlwengulela ingane ngabantu abadala umntana azavule kathintini. Senza ama live ka TikTok sizenze thina ngqondo sithi umuntu unamanga uzwaqambelana amanga ukuvuleka komntwana. Hayi bafowethu kunyasibeni serious. Akazange yena athi nanga umuntu wangidlula ingane, wabe kanje udaba ukuthi ingane yona yathi, right? So ngibona nje kunama live amaningi lapha ka TikTok abamgxekayo ngabamgxekayo. Yazi bafethu ukuthi into mengenzekanga kweyakho ingane, it's easy to just comment and say nonsense, you know what I mean? Until ize yenzeke kuwe kwakho umntana. Angithi ubonile into ebisenzeka ku Penwell the Black Pen. Efika naye khulu kodwa bakacwecwe kodwa ngubaba ozela ingane eziningi ezifika 6. Kodwa ufuna ukungathi akayibelieve yonke lento ekacwecwe. Kuzoqanjelana amanga ngengane. Anti ama doctor they proved that ukuthi umntwana udlwenguliwe. So how is she lying makacwecwe? Ayi bafethu shame. Mina angizange ngimzwe pointer ukuthi ngukhetheka noma ngohusband wakhe noma uprincipal. Angizange ngimzwe pointer uchaza nje udaba lengane ukuthi ingane yona yathi. Mina ngenza ukuthi ngaye emadoktheni ngaya kuphi iyona into engizwile. So ama live lana ka TikTok sekukhona nje the experts. Hayi bafethu asimeni kancane angazi.
Bayingaka abantwana bangatholanga ijustice but namhlanje bayakhona ukuthi babuyele ema police station bothola ijustice. but wena uyazama ukuthi umama kaCwecwe angasahambi akhulume athule. Uthulela ini? Yini ayithulelayo? Sikhulile sinje namhlanje sikatholanga ijustice, but mase kufika isikhathi ukuthi sitholele abantwana bethu justice nifuna sithule. Sithulelani? Yini kumele sithule? Sinabantwana bavuka kusasa bayovula ezikolweni Tuesday. Sibayohamba thina sisale la singathembi ukuthi abantwana bethu kwenzakalani. Ngenxa yenu abantu abafana nani Bongani. Iqiniso kumele nitshelwe.
Don't accuse Bongani of anything. Don't accuse us with anything here.
Wena thula angikhulumi nawe wena mhlwembe ndini. Wena mhlwembe thula angikhulumi nawe. Angiremova la thula mhlwembe ndini.
You want to insult us or you want to solve the case?
Mhlwembe ndini wena uyidrayiva wena.
Ngwebe, allow Nqobile to speak. Allow Nqobile to speak. Keep quiet, Ngwebe.
You are coming here to crucify black people. That is the only line that you always
not even the first time. There's
only line is always to crucify black people. You can't speak of your own. You are choosing to identify a black person because it's always nice to victimize black people. You are not going to come here and do that. We are speaking about a white rapist. We are speaking about a white rapist. You want to change the narrative and put a black person in the center of being a perpetrator? To hell with that fucking narrative. You are not going to come here and do that shit. We are not the grandparents who used to be scared of white people. We will grind you, my child. Listen here. We will grind you.
Count you started with your father.
We will grind you. We are not scared
with your father.
We are not scared of you, Wena. Don't you come here and want to think that you're gonna bully us. You can scream like a cat. You can scream like a cat.
You nothing.
We don't fucking care. You can come here and scream like a cat. That's what you are, a cat. You are coming here to defend that rapist father of yours. We are speaking about a rapist man, a white rapist man. You are putting black people on a blast for what? Why do you always appoint yourselves as a godly given identity to
I was asking, are we standing up for the 5 girls that were sold in the right?
You are not going to speak on this life. I tell you, you will not speak on this life. You won't. You won't speak on this life. You are not going to
do the refugees.
You are not going to say a fucking word on this forum. You are not going to speak on this life. Go and open your mouth and speak by yourself. Not here. If you don't are here to put black people, you don't do that shit. Go and open your mouth and
the refugees out of
have no one coming to listen to you. No one will come
Are we fighting for those women? Are we going to come and fight for
you
those
carry no substance. You carry no substance. You are in the head. You are in the head. You think you're gonna come and you will not speak on this life. You will not speak on this life. You won't speak on this life. I promise you. You won't say a word on this life. No one is gonna listen to you on this life.
Are we gonna fight
You are not going to speak on this life. You are not going to speak on this life.
South Africa.
We are not here for you. You are not going to speak here.
You know what?
You know what?
Eliza specializes
When no one is
into.
going to listen to you, we are not going to
Yeah.
entertain you here.
Yeah,
We don't
Comrade
have time
Anele.
for you here.
You know
You
what
are
she
not going to
does with
say a
Eliza.
word on
I
this
was
life.
there.
No one is going to entertain you. Mr.
Yeah,
Mehmet,
Eliza.
get this bitch out. Get this bitch out.
Anele, you know what does this
She must go
Eliza specialize into?
No, rubbish.
She takes those sexy poses that she does there on her TikTok videos.
Exactly.
She goes around taking six sexy poses, and she thinks that she can come here and undermine leadership. We are
will
a
not get
Kwekwe movement
that.
here.
You will not get
out,
that. Not here.
That is
Get
fine.
out your rubbish.
You will not get that. Not here. You come here to lecture us. Who the hell do you think you are? We are talking about a racist white man you want to replace because all the time, at any chance that white people get, they always want to hang a black man and use the face of a black man.
Oh my
as
gosh,
a
I was asking, are we standing
Yeah,
up
yeah,
for
yeah.
those
Shut the fuck up!
What you
Shut
asking
the
here, man?
fuck
Get
up,
the fuck
you
up.
bitch.
We don't
Shut
care
the
about
Shut
what
the
you're
fuck
asking
up.
here.
You are not going to speak on this life. You won't
Get
speak
out.
here. You will not
What
speak on this life.
about the
You will
You are
not
not
fucking
going to
speak
get
on
out
this
here.
life.
You're rubbish.
Go and
You're
open your own
racist.
mind and go
This is
scream
the
there.
racial
You are not going to
revolution.
speak on this
This is actually
life.
so
You
funny.
will not
It's
speak
actually
here.
really funny.
You will not speak on this life, I tell you now. You
need
will
to
not
keep
say
this.
a fucking word here.
You
Go
are
and
an
open your
agent
own
of
life and speak
Africa.
What
shit there.
about the
You
black
will
people
not
sold
speak
by
on this
black
life.
girls?
You are using the black people as you always
Because
do.
you are not
talking
fighting
about
for
a
those
rapist
girls, and you
white
guys are
person.
saying you
It was a white woman who
put
let
a white
that
a black person
criminal
on a
go,
bus.
Elise.
Because the
It was a
moment
white woman who
You are
let that
blasting
criminal
black people
go.
for what?
Why are you
We are
putting
talking
this
about
on
white
your
people.
head?
Why are you not talking about
It
your
was
own
a
white
white
racists?
judge.
Why are you not talking about
And
your
he
own
let
white
her- he let
racists?
him go
You want to
based
talk about
on
the black
the
person who
incompetency
gave
of the
authority?
We're not
Who
going to
gave
allow
you
her
to
to
talk
speak
about
here.
black
He
people?
was not guilty.
We're not
She
going to be
must
lectured
go
by
and
you,
do
Wena.
those sexy
We are
poses
not
that she
going to be
does.
lectured by you,
Not
Wena.
Oh my God,
You
you
are
really
not
got
going to
so
say
much
a
hype.
We're
damn
not going
fucking
to be
word here.
lectured by
No one is
racist
going to
white
entertain
pink
you on this
woman.
life. No
Oh,
one is
Sean, you
going
got
to
so
That is
much
what's
entertain
hype
going
you
to
on
in this
this
happen.
life.
life.
Really,
You
you
are
got
not
so
going
much
to
hype.
get to
Pause.
You are
Yes, we have
nothing.
everything.
Get out.
You are
We have
nothing.
Yes, we have
You
everything.
are
But what about
nothing.
the
Proceed.
5 girls that
No
got
one is
sold
going
in
to
the
Yeah,
entertain
get
you.
out, man.
You
Are you guys
can
gonna
swim
stand
to
up for
hell
them?
and back.
On a point
You
of
can
order,
swim
host.
to hell and back. You are not going to speak on this live. I
On a
promise
point
you.
of